In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Update error 80072EE2. So without any further ado, let's dive then quickly to the process. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that? Navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Settings. At the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, click on the system, and after that, you need to scroll down, find for the troubleshoot, and then go with other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, you can see their Windows Update. Click on one corresponding to it. So you need to run the Windows Update troubleshooter since it will help you to diagnose the problem. And once you have completed this one, it will take 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have succeeded on this, you need to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next step, and that is we need to stop the Windows Update service. How we can do that? Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for services.msc and click on the OK button. Once you have opened this, select any of the service running, type W in your keyboard, and from that you need to scroll down here on the list of services which has an initial for letter W. Find for Windows Update, make a right click, and go with the properties and stop the service. Click on apply and then click on OK, and then close the window. And then you need to proceed to the File Explorer, open that one. You can also press Windows key and E key together. In that way, you'll be able to open the File Explorer. Now from here, please navigate to the left pane, proceed to the C drive or local disk. And after this, you need to navigate to your Windows, double tapped. And from here, scroll down on the list and find for the software distribution. Once you have find it, you need to double tap to open. And from here, you can see a list of file folders. Press Ctrl A to select the whole, and then click on this delete icon. Once you have cleared these file folders here, you need to close the window and then start the Windows Update service again. So by that, press Windows key and R key together, and after that, you can see the small window, type for services.msc, and then click on the OK button. Once done, select any of the service running, type W in your keyboard, and after this, you need to scroll down, find for Windows Update, make a right click, start the service. Once you have started it, you need to close the window and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted your computer, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, then kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.